and I lay by your side next to you. And make sure you're alright. I'll take care of you. Now don't want to be